this point. The faculty and staff of IIE schools in Unity 102 are incredibly proud of all the graduates. We know that each of you will go on to do great things in the future and be successful in whatever you pursue. We also want to take this moment to thank the parents, family, and friends of our graduates for their unwavering support throughout this journey. It is because of
Mother's
you
rolling
that our
over.
students have been able to
By himself.
reach this point. We know our students have been able to reach this point. We know that the future is bright for our graduates, and we look forward to seeing what you do in the future. Your creativity will drive the next generation of social VR. So thank you guys very much. Congratulations. And at this
Thank you,
point,
Ryan.
unless Mr. Pleasure or Kurt or
Thank you,
anybody
Ryan.
wants to say anything, you're welcome to. Otherwise, I'm going to post a portal here and open it to the public to go visit their worlds and get a tour from each builder. So thank you very much, guys, and welcome to Unity 102 graduation. You want to close us out, Mr. Pleasure, while I get that portal going?
My
Yeah.
tour will be 2 hours long.
G Deuce, L Boogie, please step up with me, please.
There you go.
Why does it seem like I'm tall?
You are tall.
You're good.
Yeah, but I
7
shouldn't
foot
be this tall. But
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all don't know this yet, but you will in another couple more months. IIE is coming out with another school, big one. This time.
all right.
It's going to be on different platforms. It's going to be on with the VR chat.